As you can see, I am bored today. And I was thinking, what are some things that I like to do? Oh, actually, I really like to paint. I'm going to attempt to paint my dog. Her name is Zoe. You've probably seen her before. She's really the best mental support. If I have a lot of time and I don't really know what to do with it, yeah, what can I say? I will just start painting and see what happens. I am not a professional painter whatsoever. I don't have much experience. Grab a pencil and let's do this. I'm probably making many mistakes, but you know what? It's art. I've seen a lot of ugly art, but probably can't compare to my art, but since it's almost Christmas, it's also a pretty cool Christmas gift. It can just be a simple one and it can look so cute, and I don't know, it's like time and effort, and it kind of has like a meaning. Okay, so this is the part where where it gets pretty interesting, because it's gonna look so scary right now, but I promise it will look better later. But you just gotta trust the process, and I guess that's a big part of painting. has some teeth that sticks out right here. Hi, Zoe. Cute. That's kind of her trademark, you know. It's her little charm. Okay, so here is the finished painting. Hi, Zoe. What do you think? Say, Zoe. Huh? It's you. I tried to paint the teeth, but I don't know if you can see it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was somewhat relaxing. Obviously I don't paint every day, but sometimes I like to do it. It keeps me occupied and it's actually pretty fun. I hope I could inspire you into maybe painting something yourself. But yeah, I will see you guys very soon again. Bye!